New at 5, a grieving grandmother shares the toll of an unexpected development in moving past the death of her 8-year-old grandson. Alex Littlehales reports out of Chesapeake.
A new chapter begins in a journey she thought was over.
Found guilty and then sentenced, I felt like I was able to properly mourn and start to heal. You know, that's not something that happens, but my heart began to heal.
Cindy Lutz fights back tears months after the sentencing of Richard Humbert. A Chesapeake jury found Humbert guilty of the deadly hit-and-run that killed Lutz's grandson, 8-year-old Forrest Hooper.
Now going back through the process, like we're doing, hearings, and just going back to that courthouse and sitting in there, seeing the defendant, seeing the judge, it just rips open that wound.
A judge handed down a 10-year sentence, with 5 of those years suspended. Now, new court records reveal Humbert's attorneys filed for a reconsideration of Humbert's sentencing. But the new motion is based on, quote, new issues that Humbert's attorneys will raise before a judge in late May.
So instead of remembering, you know, the fun things about Forrest and all his little quirks and all the great memories that we had, now I'm remembering the day he died and being in the hospital with him when they stopped life support services. And yeah, it's hard. It's hard. It's just ripped me open again.
Once again, Lutz will revisit her grandson's death from inside a courtroom, a day she didn't expect to see again.
Stand the process and you have to do it, but it's not pleasant.
In Chesapeake, Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
Prosecutors with the Commonwealth Attorney's Office tell 13 News Now the same judge who oversaw Humbert's trial will hear the motion to reconsider.